So here's the heat press for the mugs. I have my design wrapped around this mug right here. I'm just gonna simply put it on top. Make sure my handle is at the top, and then it locks pretty much itself into place with this latch right here once you close it. So you can see that my design is pretty much fully covered. I do like how it's like super easy to use. You have the on off here, and then you can keep on pressing on to select the temperature. It's all in Celsius, but I mean, you can convert that pretty easily. 160 degrees is 320 degrees Fahrenheit. 180 is 356 degrees Fahrenheit. And 200 is 392 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's pretty close to the settings that I used before, like on my convection oven, which is what I'm trying to get away from using, which is something more simple like this. You can choose between 300 and 200 seconds. And then it does also have this adjustment screw, so you can fit different types of mugs in there, like 12, 10, 12, and 15 ounce mugs. So I have a 12 in there right now from Cricut. But overall, I mean, it seems really solid. I mean, it has a good weight to it. It's not super lightweight, so it doesn't feel like it's going to fall off my table here. And just have a constant light turned on. You turn it off, you just press the on off switch and it turns off. So I'm just going to set this to the side. I'm going to check out the mug that it made. I like using a little weeder pick to take the tape off. It is recommended that you let it cool down. Really want to burn myself. So, I mean, that's a pretty even. Take my weeder. So you can see it right here. I mean, took a lot of the color off, so that means it was a good temperature and long enough time. And there's plenty of color there, and you don't really see any ghosting around the mug itself. So I mean, this makes it way easier. I don't have to wrap my mugs and that wrap and then put them in the oven, wait for that big thing to heat up, and this takes way less time to heat up for sure. And it just gives it a way better, more consistent quality.
Hey guys, let's take a look at what you get when you order this heat press machine. It comes packaged just like so. Yeah. Product manual right up top. Alright, let's get into it. It is encased in some nice styrofoam here. There we go. Packaged really nicely. Check this thing out. It's got a nice little shine to it too. Out the box. Fresh and new out the box. There's our plug right here. There's another plug which will attach to this end, it looks like. Little control panel. This opens it up, the latch. You put your mug in there and close it up. You can play around with the sizing too. You got a little dial here which controls the width or the size. Really cool, fun color too. Perfect for like a rainy day type of activity or just making mugs for certain occasions. Check that out. Boom. It's not going to scratch up any surface you put it on. These little stoppers right there. You can carry it around. And this will shut off automatically. You know, if you're not using it for about, I believe it's 10 minutes or so. If you're not using it for about 10 minutes, it'll just shut down. So it's not going to overheat on you and cause a fire or anything. So, there's that fail safe in that regard. So that's always a good thing. And the manual doesn't look too involved, so it's pretty simple. Pretty easy to use. There's a quick little one sheet of paper. That's all we need for this. It opens. So, a couple do's and don'ts. Not much else to it. This is it, guys. Thanks for checking it out.
This is a cool mini heat press machine. Very lightweight. Different temperature, heat settings, timer. Super easy. Comes with a nice instructional booklet. Super cool.
Hey, I want to take a minute and show you this heat press for mugs and tumblers, which is really great if you're either into the heat transfer vinyl crafting or even sublimation. So as you can see, it's a nice handheld size here. This is one of the smallest heat press items you're probably going to be able to purchase. So if you're looking into getting into either one of these crafts and want to do something that's going to be small on space, this is a great option. So let me show you a few features about this one. We simply unlock it, and in here you have the heat pad, and you can see it's nice and thick there. And we have the vents on the exterior here to, let the heat out so it doesn't burn up. I have the electricity connected, and I can go ahead and turn that on for you. But before I do that, I want to show you that you can adjust with this little dial here, you can adjust the width so you can do both the tumblers and the mugs in here. So let's go ahead and turn it on. We can select our temperature very easily just by hitting the on and off button again, and we also have the timer on here as well. So a really great, compact way to get perfect heat around those cylindrical devices.